are kind of a software which you can include only once to your website. And once you add a tag manager to your website, it gives you a great opportunity to skip the IT queue. So as a marketer, you don't need to talk to IT when you want to add more tags to your website. So when you have a need to rapidly add new tags to measure your new campaign, you can have a very quick turnaround and you don't need to interfere with your IT resources. So for large organization and enterprise clients, we offer a functionality which we call governance. Once we or a customer needs to add a tag to the project, we can identify the business owner of that tag, which means who requested that tag addition to the project, and also when this tag should be expired. Often marketers have, let's say, a campaign for a winter time or maybe Christmas campaign, and we know that after that time this tag should be removed. Unfortunately, in reality, we found that many projects are maintained in a way that people are just keeping adding tags, and they contain very unneeded tags, which leads to the performance issues with the project. So this is a very important topic, quality, and quality can be defined in multiple ways. I believe that quality also means that our solution works for a long time. And we know that we live in a rapidly changing world. So websites can change and many people can change different things. So it's very likely that some of the tags will be dropped and they will stop working. Hence to that we introduce a functionality which is called tag monitoring, which means each time the page is loaded, SuperTag checks what kind of tags were really executed. And once these tags are executed, the data is collected and sent to our backend. And then we have series of reports, and we also have notifications over the emails when we discover that something bad happened. This is another very interesting topic because the impact can be very significant. Some of the tag managers works only in a so-called synchronous mode, which means the page will stop till all the code from the tag manager solution is loaded. Our solution works in both ways, which means only a small part of the code is loaded in a synchronous way, which supports tools which utilize A/B testing, MVT testing, etc. But the rest of the code is loaded in asynchronous mode, which means that there is no impact on the site performance. We also utilize a very fast multi-CDN network, which helps us to deliver the code as soon as possible. We also made a case study and we compared our competitors with our solution, and at the moment we are happy to claim that we are the fastest. We have a solution for agencies which works across hundreds of different websites, and they help to optimize campaigns for multiple clients. We have two agencies, one in Turkey and one in the US, which works exactly in that model. They discovered that our rich APIs allows them to automate all their work and deploy tags across multiple projects at the same time. SuperTag introduced a very nice user interface which allows non-technical people to add multiple tags in a very easy way. However, we are more than aware that some of the things require a bit of custom code or they have a much more sophisticated logic. So we also support much more advanced users, and we allow a very big flexibility so people can add custom code, and they have a very nice way to debug that code in we call it a live preview. And also there is a code preview, so you can literally read the whole code which is generated by our solution. So I think SuperTag is a great solution for almost every single website. However, I think the biggest value is coming for customers on enterprise level, where the performance and quality is very important. That's why we have tag governance and tag monitoring. Another big group, very important for us, is agencies, where they need to automate their work and deploy tags across multiple projects in a matter of seconds. There is the place where APIs are very handy.